I do like looking androgynous. I like when people couldn't tell what gender I was. It was interesting. Hi, I'm Leslie. I use she, they pronouns, and today I'm getting a gender-neutral punk haircut. So the hairstyle I'm getting today is definitely inspired by like scene culture. Right now, I'm bored to death with my hair, but I love punk and scene hair. It's just so different, so unique. You can do so many things. And when you're in the right setting, people are like complimenting you everywhere. People want to take pictures. Maybe I just like the attention, but I want cool hair, so. My mom is from Mexico and my stepdad is Guatemalan, so their reactions are just curse words. They're cursing in Spanish. They're like, what's going on? But it's motivation to keep dressing crazier.
What are you most excited about with this hairstyle?
Maybe the attention. No, I love it. I love when people tell me they love my hair because then I could tell them Pelona did it, you know? I love supporting my friends. Like, I want everyone to know Pelona did this, you know, and you need to go get it done too.
I'm Pelona. I use they, them pronouns, and I'm a gender neutral and punk hairstylist. So today I'm going to be giving Leslie a Hime haircut, and I'm going to be using a lot of color blocking and bringing back like scene roots and putting in a couple raccoon tails in the back, and that's gonna be really cute. I think that gender neutral cuts can mean a variety of different things. The reason I started calling it that was just to let people know that it was a trans safe space, but it also lets people know that I do specialize in making haircuts androgynous. So I charge by the hour, which is different than what is usually done, which is either by length or by gender. What's up? How are you today? Good.
Hell yeah.
Alright, sick. I'm gonna give you a little Hime haircut. So I'm gonna cut like right here at your cheekbones, and then we're gonna shorten your bangs a bit. We're gonna add like a little stripe here, and then at the end of it, and then we're gonna give you some coon tails too.
Alright. I'm real excited.
Cool. I'm going to be cutting right next to the bangs, kind of where face framing fringe would be. So traditionally, Himes are cut from in between the cheekbone or the lip line. I'm gonna also be bringing in this trend that's really popular right now that's kind of like looks like a jellyfish or like an octopus, and it's kind of like a little bob on top disconnected with layers in between that are very internal, so they're hidden, but it gives like a little lift with the little bob on the outside and then has little like tentacles coming out from the bottom. So it looks really cute and it's really easy to style. And then I'm going to be shortening up Leslie's bangs a bit right above the brow. So Leslie has kind of previously lightened hair. It's kind of like a light brown, almost entering blonde. So we're just going to roughly lighten it all over, not going really super thin sections or anything, just to get it a pretty nice even light color to get this bright red. I think what I love most about being a hairstylist is just seeing how people feel way more comfortable with themselves. I think hair really defines a person a lot. Like, I see a lot of before and afters, and I think the person after, I'm like, wow, they look sick. And I think it's really sick giving people their first gender-affirming haircut. And it also is something that holds a lot of trauma in a lot of cultures, so I'm glad to be able to help people navigate that and move forward with it. And then we're gonna go in and add little pieces of black and color blocking, using a lot of really thin sections on the top, and then just freehanding the little raccoon tails on the side, mostly focusing them on the front pieces so they'll really show from the front while you're looking straight ahead at Leslie. Something that I want people to know about gender neutral hair and hairstyling is that it's just hair and people should be able to do whatever they want with it, regardless of how it makes you feel, and just let people be and be happy with themselves.
Oh my god, I love it.
You love it or what?
I really do. I love it.
Cute.
Definitely, I love the black accents, and I like these highlights. I like the black and yeah, and then the little raccoon tails. They're so cute. And then my bleached eyebrows.
Yes, bomb. Yes, work.
Yeah, definitely my favorite part. Every weekend you'll see me looking like this until it fades out, and then it grows out, and then I change it again. I feel really happy and satisfied with my hair. I think Pelona did a really good job. I'm excited for what my friends think, and like when I go to the raves and the shows, what everyone else thinks, you know?
I think today went really well. We were able to collaborate on something really cute and really special and unique and personal, and it turned out great.
I really wanted red for a long time, and I'm happy that I have red hair now. That's what I love the most about this hair. And definitely the raccoon tails. I love the raccoon tails. They're fun.
I think the best way to maintain a style like this is just wash with color safe shampoo and only cold water, wear shower caps, only wash it like once a week if you can. I think the side pieces are pretty easy to keep cutting a little bit.
Pelona gave me a more feminine style this time. Last time we did a wolf cut and that was more masculine, but I wanted to keep it feminine because I was rocking that masculine hairstyle for like a year. So, you know, I want to be perceived a different way. So we kept like the length, you know, and the bob, which gives me a more feminine look, you know, but still androgynous,
The changes I want to see in the hair industry regarding gender is for it to not even be a niche, to be a gender neutral hairstylist, you know. I want everybody to feel comfortable going wherever they want. So I just want to push every hairstylist to learn about different genders and make it known that your chair is safe for people, and you'll make a huge difference.